This is going to be a quick video. As you see, the bike is all loaded up. I added the pivot Pegz Mark III to the GS about 6 weeks ago, and they're great. They really are. The teeth are perfect for off-roading. And I do ride the bike quite a bit off-road, more than most GS riders, but it's still not like full-time. And about half an hour on the road without moving my boots around, just sitting static, this starts to really hurt the balls of my feet. Even though I'm wearing the Formula Adventure boots, it's noticeably less comfortable than the OEM Pegz. So I didn't buy these originally because I thought it's a waste to put toppers on your Pegz, but $30 and sold by Altrider. There's the part number. I'm just gonna put these on. So it comes with cable ties. It's very kind of, it's not really it's meant to be, easily cut off and back on. Anyone that carries cable ties with them can throw these on if they want to and take them back off. Let's get these unboxed and we'll put them on one of these and I'll show you how it works. The physical part of putting this on is actually pretty easy. So you've just got it here, slide it right on. It's got some little grooves there, so that's nice and secure. But I mean, secure as far as it kind of slides into place there, but it's going to rattle off, of course. So as far as instructions go, yellow circle indicates left or right. Oh, interesting. Good to remember that. I'll follow that for sure. And then as far as installation of these, it came with like 6 cable ties. Red flag indicates the grooves for cable ties in, so it's 4 per side. Oh, 8. Oh yeah, there they are. So 8 cable ties to get these things installed, and then left and right. So this is the L, the left side and the right side. Let's put it up there. And we're done. Just gonna cut the bottoms off the zip ties here. Worth the price of the $30? No, definitely not. I'm using this as a guide actually. Because I really think that this is, you probably should include these in the box. It's just an extra thing to have, but and they'll certainly feel nicer. Maybe I get down the road and realize I actually don't have enough grip. And would like to take them off, and which I might, and then I can reinstall them when I go at the highway. It's nice they come off and on so easily. It's a 3-minute job, but $30 for 2 of these, a little bit of a money grab. I'd like to see them included with the price of the pivot Pegz, which is like $170 I think for the Pegz. But for this purpose, they're gonna work pretty well. They won't stay on very long, just for this trip really, and anytime I take a long road trip, I'll throw these guys on. All right, guys and girls, thanks for watching. Ride safe.